Check out this Ford 2017 F-150 XLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, stability control, security remote, anti-theft alarm system, phone wireless data link, Bluetooth, crumple zones front, roll stability control, impact sensor, post-collision safety system, sync, satellite communications and airbags, front, dual. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.